So I had the best day ever. My dad came to town, which we always go shopping. And before you say anything, just know I am grateful and I'm sorry if you have trauma with your dads. Because my last TikTok haul I did like this, everyone trauma dumped. And I don't want that this time. Starting off with Sephora, I got the Juliet Has a Gun Pear Ink perfume. This is the bottle and it's like the ultimate clean girl scent. It smells like the classic Juliet Has a Gun, but just like fresher. It's just so clean and fresh. I love it. Then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Glow Sheer Tint, whatever. This is the packaging. I have it swatched on my hand. It's kind of gone away, but it's like super glowy. I don't know. I'm really excited about this. Then the Amika Mirror Ball Shampoo and Conditioner Set. I have the shine like treatment and I love it. It makes your hair super shiny, of course. And this is supposed to be like that vibe of stuff. So I'll let you know what I think of it. A re-up of the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. I got the last one. And I finally jumped on the Tower 28 SOS spray bandwagon. I sell this to like 10, 12-year-olds a day, so I need to know what the hype is. Both from Tatcha, I got the matcha cleanser. I got this one over the rice one because it's supposed to foam and I like foamy cleansers. It's also green, I think it is. Actually, don't quote me on that, I have no idea. Then the Indigo Night Cream, I got the little sample of it and I'm obsessed. It's so thick and I have dry skin, so I love that. And it's like booish as fuck. Then from Isle of Paradise, I got this body butter. It's like so cute, first off. And it's a whipped texture, which I love. And I think this will be really good for my dry ass skin. It's so cute. Then from Valentino, because I'm bougie as fuck, I got this pink. It has like a sheen to it, like rosy blush. I don't know. Oh, and it comes with a little brush. How cute. Then from House Labs, I got the new Color Fuse Glossy Balm things. I got this shade because I don't have anything like this. And I can just tell she's gonna be so good. Also from House Labs, I got their powder blush. Yeah. I got it in the super obnoxious red shade because I have a red blush and I don't have anything to set it, so I figured this would be perfect. Love their packaging. Next from Too Faced, I got the Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax, and I love that it comes with like the Refi like comb because that makes it so much better. And I've used this in the store and it has really good hold. Got a mini Elemis Pro Cleansing Balm. Everyone loves this. I just couldn't commit to the full thing for the price. I'm really late to this. It's the Rare Beauty Loose Setting Powder. I've heard it's supposed to like leave a glow behind, which I'm in my glowy era, even though I look kind of crusty because it's been on for 10 hours. Then from Laneige, I got the Glossy Glow Balm and Sweet Candy because it was pink. That's literally the only reason why. I've wanted this forever. It's the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum in the shade Main Squeeze. I love this little packaging and everything Danessa makes is gas. Don't at me. Then I got the Very Valentino Concealer because I'm just continuing to be so bougie. Kind of nervous about the shade, but I'm just gonna go bake in the sun and that'll fix it. Got this Brow Blade Duo from Urban Decay. I only really got this because I want like a little pen on it so I can do like hair strokes in my brow, but I figured having a brow pen with it would be nice. And then I got the new Patrick Ta highlighters in the My Love shade. This could be a little scary because it's white, but I also don't have a highlighter like this. Say hi to yourself. Then from Mario, I got the Super Satin Lipstick in the shade South Shore. I used to use like super nudie pink shades like this all the time, and I don't know why I stopped because they're so slay. Also forgot to mention I got a red thing of the Color Fuse, so I thought I got a set. I was really tripping there for a second. The next couple of things are from Kosas. I got the Illuminating Bronzer, which this packaging is really cute. I love that. And then the Cloud Set Powder. I've wanted this for so long, and it just looks like it's gonna be really light and beautiful, like me. I'm realizing I got a lot of blushes, but they're like my favorite product, and this one is the shade Hype. It's the new baked blush they came out with. I'm excited about this. Then these next three things are just from Points. This is the Gentle Body Wash from Rare Beauty, the JVN Shine Drops, which I love, and then this Fresh Deep Hydration Rose Cream. So that is all from Sephora, my favorite place in the world. Well, I actually kind of lied. I got a few more things from Sephora the other day by myself. I paid for this. I got the Color Wow Style on steroids, which I can't believe I finally got my hands on that. The Summer Fridays Pink Cloud Lip Oil, and then the Lip Balm and Cherry. I have this in the vanilla, and I love it. Okay, this is the lip oil. It's a really cute shade, and I really like the formula. And last, the One Size Secure the Glow Primer. I'm wearing this today, and I really, really like it. And I like the packaging. Looks like fish eggs. Well, this is already 5 minutes long, and I don't want to make this 10 minutes, so I think I'm going to do the rest of the haul in a part 2. But yeah, that's my Sephora part of the haul, which is the best and the most expensive always.